Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, ACES home expert, here with Barnaby from Ego. You are Director of Excitement.
Exactly, because I'm excited about what we're talking about.
Well, we're going to talk about your snow thrower, but before we get into that, I'd like you to tell the viewer about Ego and sort of the platform of products that you make and the fact that they're all battery operated with a universal battery that operates everything that you make.
And herein lies the secret. It is Ego's 56-volt arc lithium battery. So it took us a number of years to develop this battery because it is the industry's #1 rated platform. That's what we call the battery. It's a platform from which all other tools operate. And as you mentioned, we got a number of them, right?
Right.
40 plus at this point. It's going to give you all the power and performance of gas, but without the noise, fuss, and fumes, and the hassle of just trying to start it up, especially a snowblower in the winter.
Right. I mean, I think for many, we're used to battery-operated power tools, which certainly been around for a very long time, and maybe you're a little apprehensive or might be a little apprehensive about, do I really want a large tool like this running off of battery? But you've solved it with the power, and the way this thing throws the snow is really quite amazing.
Yeah, I grew up in upstate New York with a 2-stage, born of gas. Did it for 25 years, and then when this came online, bought one, haven't used the 2-stage since. I live in Michigan, where we have a lot of snow.
Right.
So as far as the features go, not only does it throw the snow, it's got a metal box right here. It's got about a 12+ inch clearance here, so you can really get into the deep stuff. The guts of it would be this. You have the paddles. These are hard rubber, feel that, Lou. I mean, stiff, right?
Right, right.
And so these are replaceable if they ever do wear down, but they're not hitting the pavement, right? It's simply scooping the snow and throwing it, and it just throws it up through the chute. There is no impeller, right? It's just going straight up and out. But it is the sheer speed with which these rotate. With this, press the button, boom, the snow is gone.
Right, right. Now you've got the safety features right there. You've got a switch. This obviously engages it.
Yep.
This handle here allows you to adjust the chute as to where you're going as you're throwing the snow.
Totally. And I remember the day where it was like the little crank going,
Right.
With this, it's simply, look how positive that is. It's strong, even with this ice. And right here, you can adjust to what you want to throw it into the neighbor's yard. There you go. You want to keep it on your property. There you go.
I think what's another nice feature of this, if you've got the 2 batteries in there that give you the kind of power that you need, you have a gauge on the back tells you how much charge you have in each battery, right, to give you an idea of the run time.
Well, what's going to happen here is it's peak power technology, so it's drawing on the 2 batteries simultaneously. A team of horses versus 1 horse. You're going to get more with 2. As far as the battery gauges go, when you press the button on top of the battery, it's going to give you an indication of how much power you have. And you can see it right through the windows here. And speaking of lights, look at that.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Isn't that cool? LED lights
That's
on the
great.
front.
That's great.
It's a complete machine.
Well, if you're looking for a snow thrower and you want to have something that is easier to use, no gas that you have to worry about mixing, no fumes that you're going to breathe or add to the environment, and you really want a tool that works really, really well, you need to check out this Ego snow thrower that's available at your participating Ace Hardware store. Remember, you can get more information at your local Ace, or you can always visit us at acehardware.com. Nice job.
Hey, thank you so much, and look at that. It's not a space pig. It'll find its little place in the garage, plenty of room to roam.
That's awesome.